Welcome, in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock pattern to your phone. The first thing you should do in such case is try and remember the pattern that you entered the last time, and if you take your time and maybe even guess the pattern, then it will save you a lot of time in the future. It might also save your personal information and data, and if you really can't do this, then the other best option is to contact the MEIZU customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, then they will most likely help you out with recovering the access to your phone without the need of resetting your device and removing all your personal files, information, and other types of data. And if this option is unavailable for you too, then the third best option would be to simply perform a factory reset. This will clean your device completely, so you'll have no previously installed applications, files, all the personal data everything will be removed from your phone, but you will regain access to it. And you can do it two ways. If you want to do it remotely, you can use Find Help feature by Google. So if you didn't disable Find My Device feature on your phone during setup or later in settings, then you'll simply you can simply open the Find Hub service by Google, log into your Google account using the information that you signed in to this phone with, and select this phone and perform factory reset remotely. Or if you can't do this remotely, for example, if your Find My Device feature is disabled, then you can simply perform factory reset locally by going into recovery mode and removing all data from your phone yourself. And if you don't know how to do this, we'll have an entire video explaining the entire process step by step, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.